The world around us is living very competitive life. Every corner of the world there are opportunities, there are life-changing moments, and also there is enough competition in any field. As an individual, you will come across such opportunities once in a blue moon. But the point is, those moments are for a very limited time. You always have to be ready for those. If you're just looking for a blue moon moment in your life by just staring at the sky, it's not going to happen. You got to have a plan and equip yourself with necessary skills, and especially if you're working in the security department as a security professional, and if you are into this industry with just a couple of years experience, or you are just someone who is willing to explore this great industry, then an effective security certification that can add value and skills to your profile can be your blue moon. If you are a fresher with no security experience or into this field in a couple of years, the Certified Security Associate CSA can be your best bet. Then you might be wondering, what is CSA, Certified Security Associate? The CSA, Certified Security Associate, has been introduced by COPS Security International, a leading organization for security professionals across the globe. The CSA covers fundamental security operations and teaches an individual 12 key modules that are necessary as part of corporate security operations. Once you are part of this program, you will learn concepts like Introduction to Corporate Security, and you will also understand company policies and procedures. And you will also learn about how to do effective patrolling. You will also learn about physical security, electronic security, and emergency response and preparedness, and introduction to life safety and fire protection, traffic control. You will also learn how to prevent workplace violence incidents, and you will also learn how to develop public relationship as a security professional. And most importantly, as a security professional, you should know how to carry out investigations and to write effective reports. Even these modules will be covered in this particular training. These key modules are very essential as part of security operations. And once you understand these concepts at fundamental level and implement them efficiently in your security operations, corporates welcome you as a security professional. Once you do the certification, you will have tremendous opportunity to start career in the security industry, or if you are a security officer already who's working, and you will be able to get land in the promotions. As you can see in the security industry, the entry-level security professionals are not fully equipped and understand security concepts. Having certified as CSA will give you competitive advantage over other professionals. As you can see in the entry level, you will find many security professionals with very minimum knowledge and they are not competent enough to do the job. And many clients and senior security managers and security heads looking for the qualified security officers. With CSA, you will be equipped with necessary security operations concepts which are desired by many clients and security heads for their security officers and executive positions. To know more about CSA, Certified Security Associate Certification Program, visit corpsecurity.org/certifications. If you are a fresher, the CSA, Certified Security Associate Certification Program, can be your best bet. It will introduce you to all the concepts which we discussed, and it will set you apart from other professionals who want to enter in the security field, and client will have much more comfortable in hiring you because you already a certified professional in the security operations. The security industry is going through a fast progression, and being part of this industry in this era can change your career for better. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends, and to know more concepts in security and risk management, subscribe to Security FIA. I will catch you in the next video. Until we meet again, signing off, Shiva RP.